So hello, my name is Fahamudin Kilumabaw, a reporter from Group 6, the Entrepreneurial Management. Uh, so ang report ko ngayon is tungkol sa users and uses of financial statement. Number 1, investor. Investor is to determine whether to buy, hold, or sell their investment and equity ownership in the business. So ang investor is ito yung upang matukoy kung bibilhin, hawakan o ibebenta kanilang mga pamumuhay sa equity ownership sa negosyo. So ang investor is ito yung mga taong parang example na lang is halimbawa kapag may pera ka, i-invest mo yung pera mo para lumago. Ipapautang mo and then magkakaroon ito ng interest. Yan. May iba't ibang klase ng investor. And then the next one is the employees. Employees is to determine stability and profitability of employers. So ang employers naman is ito yung upang matukoy ang katatagan at kakayahang kumita ng mga employer. And then the next one is lenders. Lenders is to determine the ability of borrowers to pay on time the loans granted to them by the creditors. So ang lenders ito yung upang matukoy ang kakayahan ng mga maghihiram na magbayad sa oras ang mga pautang na ipinagkaloob sa kanila ng mga nagpapautang. So ang lenders is ito yung mga nangongolekta ng interest. Halimbawa na lang, kapag umutang ka, ang tawag sa interest niya ay hindi interest, kundi is lenders. By monthly, guhulog ka ng lending ba? And then the next one is suppliers. Suppliers to determine the ability of customer to pay debts as they fall due. So ang suppliers is ito yung upang matukoy ang kakayahan ng customer na magbayad ng mga utang kapag sila ay dapat bayaran. Yon. And then next is customer. Customer is to determine the ability of the enterprise to be a continuing source of supply upang matukoy ang kakayahan ng negosyo na maging isang patuloy na mapagkukunan ng supply. And then the next is government agencies. Government agencies is to determine the capacity of the enterprise to pay taxes and its tax compliance, to provide the basis for monitoring and regulating the activities of enterprise and individuals. So yun, ang government agencies, ito yung upang matukoy ang kapasidad ng negosyo na magbayad ng mga buwis at ito ay pagsunod sa buwis upang magbigay ng batayan para sa pagsusubaybay at pag-regulate ng mga aktibidad ng mga negosyo at individual. And then next is public. Public is to determine the activities of enterprise. Upang ang mga aktibidad ng negosyo is public. And then the next one is management. Last, management is to determine the activities of enterprise for planning, organizing, lending, and controlling. Ang management is ito yung upang matukoy ang mga aktibidad ng negosyo para sa pagpaplano, pag-oorganisa o pamumuno at pagkontrol sa company. And then ang sunod dito is ito yung mga example na benta or AB Trading Company balance sheet noong December 31. And then AB Trading Company income statement nila for the year ended December 31. And then the next is ito yung statement of cash flows for the year ended December 31. And then the next is accounting for cash. Accounting for cash is ito yung cash consists of any medium of exchange that banks accept for deposit. Yun, accounting for cash. Pinabuo ang cash ng anumang medium of exchange na tinatanggap ng mga bangko para sa deposit. And then the last one is accounting for petty cash fund. There are some payments that may not be conveniently made with check because the payment has to be done immediately and the amount involved is very small. So yun, sa merong ilang mga pagbabayad na maaaring hindi madaling gawin gamit ang cheque dahil ang pagbayad ay kailangang gawin at halagang nasasangkot ay napakaliit. And then ito yung sample nila sa request for PT cash replenishment.